With double-sided high-density EVA foam non-slip surfaces, the 1x2 thick premium mat comfortably cushions spine, hips, knees and elbows on hard floors. Each tile dimensions 24 inches W by 24 inches L. Thickness 1/2, tiles quantity 36. End borders quantity 72. Coverage area 144 square feet. Exceptional resilience allow you to keep your balance during any exercise style. Moisture-resistant technology makes the mat to be easily washed with soap and water. Top reviews from the United States. Simply the best deal you could make. I purchased this product after beginning jiu-jitsu with my family. We wanted to be able to roll at home and better our technique. I was very skeptical at first for the huge square footage at such a low price and one thickness at that. After reading the reviews, I said I would make Tuesday purchase, and worst case scenario I would return the product if it was not to my liking. I loved it, as did my kids. I've been slammed on these and it's very protective. I went ahead and purchased a second box and got them next day. Now we have a huge matted area to roll. Don't hesitate and buy these mats.